Hello friends, so I'm back with new video on latest Gulf jobs today. And friends, thanks a lot for your support. I'm getting very good views and support from all the subscribers and new viewers as well. So friends, today you will get job for all the Gulf countries, and as always there will be a many free job recruitments as well. So please don't skip, watch complete video. Interviews will be in multiple locations. You will get to know the locations during video, so please don't skip, watch complete video. So let's start. This posting is for Qatar, and you can see the positions: civil foreman, electrical foreman, instrument foreman, mechanical foreman, painting, piping, rigging and welding. Safety officers, safety supervisor, instrument supervisors, mechanical supervisors, painting, welding supervisors and land surveyor. ITI or diploma with minimum 5 plus years of experience in oil and gas construction project is required, and overseas experience is mandatory. You can send your document to sin10@synclass.com. So friends, as I told you, there will be many job postings, so please don't skip. And tomorrow I'll be posting video on assignment abroad times today newspaper, so don't forget to watch that video as well. So friends, this posting is for Saudi for oil and gas construction project. Positions are senior planning engineer, civil, electrical, piping and structural. Planning engineer, civil, E&I, piping and structure. Diploma degree with minimum 8 to 10 years of experience in oil and gas construction projects. Overseas experience is mandatory. Interviews will be on 31st, that is tomorrow, on Saturday in Mumbai. Next is for Saudi again for oil and gas construction project: planning manager, project control manager, deputy planning manager, scheduler, lead planner, civil, structurer and electrical. Degree diploma with 12 to 15 years of experience in oil and gas construction projects. Here also overseas experience is mandatory. Interviews will be on 31st of August in Mumbai tomorrow. Next is for Saudi again, and these are some different positions like quantity surveyor, civil, structure, E&I, mechanical, and senior quantity surveyor in civil, mechanical and structure. Same 5 to 8 years of experience in oil and gas construction project, and interviews will be tomorrow. So those who are nearby locations or from Mumbai can attend these interviews. Going forward, there are interviews for Chennai, Cochin and Delhi locations. This is for cost engineer, 5 to 8 years of experience in oil and gas construction project. These interviews will also take place tomorrow. Next is for Saudi. Client interview will be in Delhi, Bihar, Kolkata and Rajasthan. This is for Saudi, and positions are tile fixer, mechanical, plumber, electrician, tile sitter, painter, AC technician, farmer, gardener, finishing carpenter. You can see the food, accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. WhatsApp number is given, so either you can send your documents by email or you can apply on WhatsApp as well. Next is for Saudi again. It's a CV selection. Positions are mixer truck driver, pump operator, diesel truck mechanic and forklift operator. Here the same WhatsApp number. Accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, and client interviews will be on 30th is over, so 31st of August, and final client interview will be in Mumbai and Chennai shortly. So the date for final interview is not yet declared, so you can send your document immediately for shortlisting. Positions are plumber, building electrician, welding and blacksmith technician, structural welder, wall painter, furniture carpenter, bus drivers. Gulf license is required for bus drivers. All candidates should have experience in building maintenance projects. Attractive salary, free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. OT is also applicable. So they have two locations, Mumbai and Chennai. So you can approach any of your nearest location. Next is for Saudi again. Final client interviews will be in Mumbai and Chennai shortly, required in large numbers. Positions are QC manager, QA QC engineer, procurement QC supervisor, QC supervisor, mechanical welding, welding inspector, QC welding engineer, painting inspector, and QC document controller. So all positions are QC related positions. If you have relevant experience, please apply. And you can take a screenshot of these details. Again, the locations are same, Mumbai and Chennai. Minimum 5 years of experience for inspectors. Candidate must have steel storage tank experience. Who have experience in approval with Saudi Aramco is preferred, and must be degree or diploma in mechanical engineering. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. Next is for UAE, for a safety and security division. Final client interviews will be at Bhubaneswar office, and shortlisting will take place from 31st to 1st of September. Fire fighting technicians, fire alarm technicians, GI pipe fitter, firefighting pipe fitter GI, and building electricians. Accommodation, transportation will be provided by company. Overtime medical insurance also will be applicable. So you can see the contact details and address of the interview location. Next is for Asia, for a construction, power, transmission line and design in the energy sector. Shortlisting in progress. Face-to-face interviews will be soon. They will, if you send the documents, if it gets shortlisted, they'll be in touch with you for the further process and location. Positions are electrician, power grid and equipment, electrician, cable tray, foreman, ACS engineer. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. So you can see the contact numbers and email ID. This is for Bahrain Seaport Company. Shortlisting in progress. Client interviews will be on 31st of August in Chennai. Positions are safety officer, resource planning and control, lashing supervisor, ship crane operator, truck driver, bus driver, forklift operator, tally clerk, wheel loader, shuttering carpenter. So you can take screenshot. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, for oil and gas construction project. Shortlisting in progress. Interview will be on 3rd September and it is going to be a Zoom interview. So you no need to go anywhere. You can attend the interview from your home. So friends, as I told you, there are many job postings ahead. So please don't skip, watch complete video so that you should not miss any opportunity. Here are also most of the positions are QA/QC related positions. You can see QA/QC manager, QA/QC inspector, scaffolding, batching plant, building, civil, electrical, instrument, material, NDT, painting, painting bags, BGS, and inspector, QA/QC inspector in piping, PMI, PWHT, RTR, steel structure, welding, CP, telecom, and QA/QC supervisors in civil, E&I, instrument, mechanical, painting, piping, procurement, structural, welding, and test package coordinator. So candidate should have good knowledge and experience with prior approvals with either with Aramco or with other clients. Free food, accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the contact number and detail address is given. Next is for Qatar. Shortlisting in progress. Client interviews will be in Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Delhi, Vadodara from 10th of September onwards. 3 years of abroad experience is must for all the categories. So friends, here you can see there are multiple openings and interviews will be from 10 September onwards. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. The interview locations detail address is given. You can take a screenshot. So and you can choose any of the nearest locations. So interviews will be at multiple locations. I would repeat: Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai, Delhi, Vadodara. These will be the interview locations. Next is for Abu Dhabi. Shortlisting in progress. Positions are heavy bus and light driver, light vehicle driver, heavy bus and truck driver. Candidate with valid UAE license and must have a minimum 4 years of UAE experience. Free food accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Kuwait. Shortlisting in progress. Client interviews will be on 8th of September in Chennai. Positions are engineer instrument, supervisor instrument, foreman instrument, technician instrument, and instrument tube fitter or instrument mechanic. Friends, few postings will be repetitive from the last recent video. So those who have already seen can ignore. This posting is for Saudi. Candidate must have 2 to 3 years of diploma with mark sheet in relevant field, 6 to 8 years of experience in relevant field is required. Positions are lathe machine operator, water treatment technician, BMS or ATC repair technician, electronic technicians, fire extinguishing system technician, maintenance plumbing technician, data network technician, central compressor technicians, HVAC, milling technician, fire alarm panel technicians, boiler mechanical technicians, motor winding electrician, control room operating engineer, control room operating supervisor. You can see the salary in Saudi Riyal is given for all the positions. It's a CV selection, friends, and you can send your CV on cv@smartco.net.in for shortlisting. Next is for Saudi, for a highly reputed pipe production company. Online interviews, shortlisting in progress. Positions are production manager, maintenance engineer, electrical technicians, mechanical technicians, logistic or dispatch clerk. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 3rd of September in Chennai. Position is electrical testing engineer. Salary range is 4,000 to 8,000 Saudi Riyal. Next is for Bahrain, and freshers can apply. So this is going to be a good opportunity for freshers in catering supervisor. So position will be catering supervisor. Salary will be 140 to 150 Bahraini dinar. Good English communication. Freshers can apply. ECNR only. Age limit 20 to 30. Free accommodation. So next is for Riyadh, Saudi Arabia, and CV followed by telephonic interview. Positions are electrical technicians and electrical helpers. Flight will be from Mumbai. Transportation accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi, shortlisting in progress, online interview. So friends, as you have seen, there are many online virtual interviews for many positions. So it is convenient for you. You no need to go anywhere, no need to travel. You can attend interviews from your home. Positions are low current technicians and low current supervisor. Job description is given. You can read it carefully. Salary for low current technician will be 1500 to 2000 Saudi Riyal, and for supervisor 2000 to 3000 Saudi Riyal. Next is for Saudi, direct client interview will be soon. Marine mechanic, marine electrician, and pipe fabricator. Must have minimum 5 to 10 years of experience in the marine field. It is for Zamil shipyard. Next is for Saudi, online interviews. You can see the positions: safety officer, piping design engineer, civil structural engineer, static design engineer, rotating design engineer, project engineer, instrument engineer for online analyzer. Salary range is given for according to the experience range. Next is for Qatar. Client interviews will be informed. Positions are electrician, plumber, AC technicians, grill welder, tile mason, plaster mason, and wall painter. Salary for all categories will be 1100 Qatari Riyal plus OT. Food allowance of 300 Qatari Riyal will be given. 9 hours duty, 1 weekly off. So this is for a leading interior design company in Qatar. Next is for Saudi. CV selection followed by Zoom interview again. So it's a virtual interview. Positions are heavy mechanic, heavy maintenance supervisor, trayman, safety officer, oil and gas. Minimum 5 to 8 years of experience in the same field. Next is for Saudi, and the position is camp supervisor. Zoom interview will be conducted shortly. So you can see the detailed job requirements are given. You can take screenshot. Next is for Qatar. It's a free recruitment, virtual interview, shortlisting in progress. Positions are CNC operator, CNC punching operator, bending operator, MH welder certified, laser machine operator. Free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. You can see the contact numbers. The location is Bangalore of this consultant. Next is for Oman. Large requirement for prestigious hospital maintenance project. Client interviews will be in Mumbai and Kochi by second week of September. You can see the positions: AC supervisors, HVAC technicians, biomedical technicians, boiler technicians, central chiller technicians, control room BMS technicians, CSSD or sterilizer technicians, diesel mechanics, electrical engineers, electrical technicians, electricians, HV, electronics engineer, electronics technicians, mechanical supervisors, mechanical technicians, and MEP engineers, RO plant operators, steam technicians, painters, plumbers, and masons. So all candidates should have experience in hospital or similar maintenance project. Attractive salary and other benefits will be provided by company. You can see the locations: Mumbai, Kochi, Chennai. Their contact numbers and WhatsApp numbers are given, so you can connect with them for the further details. Next is for Oman again, and this is free recruitment for an international EPC company for a turnaround project. Unit in charge, area managers for turnaround and shutdown. Degree diploma in engineering, minimum 12 to 15 years of experience in turnaround projects, especially within the petrochemical, refinery, or power plant industries. Attractive salary, other benefits will be provided by company. Here are the same locations, and contact numbers are given. Next is for Abu Dhabi, NBTC. Client interviews will be in Kochi on 1st September. Position is civil foreman and the number of openings are 50. Diploma ITI in civil with minimum 6 to 8 years of experience in oil and gas, construction industry. Gulf experience is preferred. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. Interviews will be, so this posting is over, friends. Sorry for the inconvenience, but still you can send your documents. If there is any scope, they can approach you. Position was tailor, 10 openings. Education, only high school education is required. A minimum of 2 years of experience in stitching dresses for women is required. Attractive salary, free accommodation and transportation will be provided by company. Next is for Saudi. Salary for this position is going to be 3000 to 3500 Saudi Riyal, and food allowance of 400 Riyal will be provided. Position is sales or marketing coordinator, manpower, trading, equipment rental. So you can see the detailed requirements are given. You can approach any of their office in Mumbai, Chennai, Trichy or Kochi. Next is for Saudi, shortlisting in progress. Face to face client interviews will be in Vizag, Kolkata, Surat, Cochin, Mumbai, Baroda, and Ichapur. So, friends, you can see the dates for each location. Vizag 9 September, Kolkata 12, Surat 15, Cochin 17, Mumbai 18, Ichapur 10 and 11, and Baroda 13 and 14 September. Positions are piping design engineer, QAQC, piping inspector, QAQC, instrument inspector, QAQC, coating inspector, piping supervisor, piping foreman, welding foreman, work permit receiver, 6G, copper welder, SS6G, arc welder, SS full TIG, CSTIG, and arc welder, and some other positions along with pipe fabricator. Free food and accommodation will be provided by company, and you can see there are experience requirement are given, so you can read it carefully before you apply. Next is for Saudi, Zamil Cool Care. Final client interview will be soon, and shortlisting in progress. Final client interviews will be in Cochin, Chennai, and Mumbai. Dates are given. Positions are HVAC technicians, HVAC control technicians, VRF senior technicians, chiller technicians, braziers, and VRF junior technicians. HVAC technician supervisor also required. Girl experience preferred. English communication is also required. Next is for Saudi. Client interviews will be on 31st of August in Mumbai. Electrician, plumber, ductman, pipe fitter, firefighting technician, insulator, ELV technicians, elevator technicians, and scaffolder. You can see the number of openings are in large. Next is for sales supervisor for Saudi Arabia. You can see the detailed requirement: 4 to 5 years relevant experience in sales with at least 1 year in a supervisory role. You can apply with your documents. Don't forget to apply the position in subject line, and this is common for all the postings. You should apply with mentioning your position in the subject line, and give them the reference of this posting. So friends, this was uh, only for today's job postings. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. I'll be posting tomorrow latest jobs in assignment abroad times today newspaper, so please don't forget to watch that video. Hit the like button. Thank you. See you.